Hello everybody, and today we're talking about the environment, part 1. So, why the environment? Because it is an important topic and it might also be in your English test too. So, first of all, let's take a look at some words and phrases that you can use to talk about environment. Of course, when we talk about environment in this context, it means the natural world around us. The air, the water, the earth, and plants and animal life that sustain in this earth. So, first, we might also talk about air quality. That is how clean the air we breathe is. Biodiversity referred to the variety of plants and animals live on Earth. Extinctions is when plants or animal species is died out completely, and an endangered species is plants or animal species is in danger because it's becoming extinct. Land clearing is when trees and brush being destroyed for building or farming. Fossil fuel is the energy resource that be made up of ancient living things. Emissions mean project or put out, but in this case we often use it as carbon emissions. It is the amount of carbon that's being put out from somewhere like factory or car. So that's all from part 1. I hope you will enjoy part 2. See you and goodbye.